The United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, UK, consists of 4 nations: England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. England. It's the biggest country in the UK. It's in the south of Great Britain. The capital is London. The biggest cities are Liverpool, Manchester, Birmingham. The symbol is the red rose. Scotland. It's in the north of Great Britain. It's divided in 3 parts: the Highlands, the Lowlands, and 790 islands. The capital is Edinburgh. There is the biggest mountain in the UK, Ben Nevis. The symbol is the thistle. Wales. It's a small country in the west of Great Britain. The capital is Cardiff. There is the longest river in the UK, Severn. The symbols are the daffodil and the leek. Northern Ireland. It consists of 6 counties in the north of Ireland. The capital is Belfast. There is the biggest lake in the UK, Lough Neagh. The symbol is the shamrock. The pound coin. The pound coin has got 4 national symbols on it: an English rose, a Welsh leek, a Scottish thistle, an Irish shamrock. The Union Jack is the national flag of the United Kingdom. It combines the crosses of 3 older national flags. When the first Union flag was created in 1606, the Wales was part of England. The patron saints: St. George in England, St. Andrew in Scotland, St. David in Wales, St. Patrick in Northern Ireland.